I'm Leena Tripathi. I'm the director for East Africa Hub of IITA, International Institute of Tropical Agriculture. As a woman, either is me or other women, we all face a challenge, particularly when you have to balance between a career and motherhood. So that's the challenge which I also faced, in the young during my young career, because that's the time woman has to prove yourself. Most of the time when the young women are not taken seriously by anyone until you prove yourself, and in order to prove yourself you have to go extra miles, and you have to do much more in comparison to male, before you can establish yourself. You have to be strong and never and make yourself so strong that nothing can break you down. Set your goals early enough. When I say early enough, it can be as early as few years of your age, and then move towards that. And don't be afraid of any challenges or obstacles. Just move, and if possible, get mentor, and that mentor can be your parent, or it can be your teacher. Just try to get mentor who can guide you and also champion you in your professional career development. If I have to choose a challenge against which I would like to raise my voice, I think that challenge is, which many women, particularly young women, face is the harassment and the crime. If we have to fight for that together against that crime, so that all the girls, women are safe, and also make them aware of their rights, so that and empower them, so that they can be independent, they can do well in their career, but they live respected life in the society.
We'll be right back.